Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these set of adjustable dumbbells. These are great for working out at home. They adjust from 2 pounds all the way up to 5 pounds. So before we start off with the unboxing, I would like to give a few details regarding these dumbbells. The brand name for these are FIAR. It has received awards for contemporary good design. These are sold in 4 different countries, including England, Canada, USA, and Germany. So let's go ahead and unbox these now. Alright, so we got our dumbbells. So this great thing is they offered in 3 different colors. You've got sunset orange, mountain gray, and lake blue. So the ones that I got are the sunset orange. So these are a 38 millimeter grip diameter, which is small, hand friendly. They are made of TPU, soft rubber, anti-sweat, and anti-slip, making them very soft to hold. They have a hexagonal style, which is safe and suitable, so they won't roll around when dropped. The outer layers are wrapped with soft rubber to prevent burning and not to hurt the floor. So now you can change these. All you got to do is twist them. They have a locking motion, so you push these buttons to remove them. You can increase the weight from 2 pounds to 3 pounds to 4 pounds to 5 pounds. So to add the weight, you would take these ones right here, which is the tops. You will put them at the end of each dumbbell. So we have the other ones. So you've got a set of 2 for 1 for each side on each dumbbell. So these help saving more space by increasing the number of dumbbells that you need. They can adjust from 2 pounds all the way up to 5 pounds just with these little weights right here. They are quick adjustment of weight, first press, second turns, fast increase to decrease the dumbbell. They are comfortable grip, with a diameter of 38 millimeters. Small hands can easily and properly grip them. So you just grab it, twist it on here. You want to unlock. So on the dumbbell itself, it tells you the locking side and unlocking. So you just put it on, twist it, and it should go into the lock position. Make sure it lines up. It'll tell you right there, lines right up. So now it's locked. When you want to unlock them, you just push the little buttons. So we got one side. Now let's work on the other side. Make sure the magnets are pointing inside. So you can see that one doesn't fit. Just push it in here, turn it to lock it. So we need to grab the other end part. Put it in there, twist it to lock it. It's super easy. It helps save space. You can put your weight from 2 pounds all the way up to 5 pounds, making it a good way of exercising, training for aerobics, fat burning, advanced aerobics. So these are super easy to take off. You just push the button, slide it to the side. If you want to make one of the dumbbells a little bit heavier, you can use the weights from the other dumbbell. But if you want to even them out, I recommend even them out with both of them. But if you want to train the back muscles of your arm and you want to do it up over your head to make this one a little bit heavier, I would say you can take it from the other dumbbell to make it heavier, increasing the weight. Then you can put the tops on. The best part of these dumbbells is it does save some space, so you don't need a bunch of dumbbells. These ones are lightweight, they're convenient, you can switch them out. They have a comfortable grip. The diameters of these are 38 millimeters. They look really nice, they feel really nice. So now I've taken most of the weight from one dumbbell to this one, making it a little bit heavier. So now when you want to adjust them back to normal, just take and push these little buttons right here, and then they just twist and remove, And then you can just put them up for the next time. They don't use a lot of space, just like if you were at a home gym and you have all these different dumbbells. They may not be super heavy, but they are great for some workout with aerobics. They are super easy to use. You can just twist and turn, take them off, change them. They are adjustable. You can make one heavier than the other. You can even them out, but they do give a good workout. So if you're interested in a nice dumbbell set that is interchangeable, I would definitely say check these ones out. I highly recommend them. They're very nice. I offered them in 3 different colors, which is a bonus. So I definitely say check these ones out.